Yo, what's up everyone? Black Friday's just around the corner, and Amazon's already dropping some insane early deals. We're talking real discounts on smartwatches, headphones, gaming gear, TVs, laptops, and more. I've spent hours digging through all the chaos to find the absolute best value deals so you don't have to waste time scrolling. So if you're ready to save big this Black Friday, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into the deals. Let's go. Alright, starting off strong with home security cameras, because honestly, there are some insane deals in this category right now. First up, the Google Nest Cam is 33% off. This thing has intelligent alerts that actually tell you what's happening. Super simple setup through the Google Home app. And get this, it has face recognition. So it'll actually tell you when family members or frequent visitors show up at your door. Plus, you can check in using Google Assistant on your Nest displays. Really solid option. Solid. Now, if you want something even better, check out the Google Nest Cam Indoor 2K. This is the third generation model. This thing shoots in 2K HDR video, which is Nest's highest resolution yet. The video quality is absolutely crisp. And here's what's cool. It works with Gemini AI. So, with a Google Home Premium subscription, you can get notifications like kids are playing soccer in the living room. How crazy is that? You can even search your video history by asking questions like, what happened to the vase in the living room? And it'll show you relevant clips. For those who want a complete system, the Arlo Essential Wireless Camera 3-pack is a beast. Crystal clear 2K video, two-way audio so you can talk and listen, connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and it's expandable so you can add more cameras throughout your home. It's got color night vision, a 130-degree field of view, and an integrated spotlight. With an Arlo Secure Plan subscription, you get people and vehicle recognition plus package and animal detection. This is perfect if you want to monitor both inside and outside your home. And if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still really good, the Eufy Security Solo Indoor Cam P24 shoots in 2K resolution. That's 1080p when using HomeKit. The on-device AI is smart enough to tell the difference between humans and pets, so you only get recordings when something actually important happens. It has 360-degree pan and 96-degree tilt, so it can literally follow motion around the room. Plus, it works with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. Solid choice for the price. Okay, now let's talk headphones, because if you've been wanting to upgrade your audio game, now is the time. The Bose Quiet Comfort headphones are on sale, and these are legendary. You get two listening modes, quiet mode for full noise cancellation or aware mode for full awareness of your surroundings. High-fidelity audio with adjustable EQ so you can control the bass, mid-range, and treble exactly how you want it. Battery life? Up to 24 hours on a single charge, and a 15-minute quick charge gives you 2.5 more hours. Plus, you can use them wired with the included audio cable. Next up, Beats Studio Pro. These have Beats' custom acoustic platform for rich, immersive sound, lossless audio via USB-C, and 3 built-in sound profiles. You get active noise canceling and transparency mode, plus personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking that puts you in the center of a 360-degree experience. Battery life is insane, up to 40 hours total, and a 10-minute fast fuel charge gives you 4 more hours. Now, if you want the absolute best of the best, the Apple AirPods Max. These are Apple's flagship over-ear headphones. They have an Apple-designed dynamic driver for high-fidelity audio, pro-level active noise cancellation that removes up to 2 times more background noise than before, and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. The acoustic-first design has a knit mesh canopy and memory foam ear cushions that perfectly seal in sound. They come in 5 fresh colors: midnight, starlight, blue, purple, and orange. And that magical Apple experience is here too. Just place them near your device, tap connect, and you're good to go. And for the Sony fans out there, the Sony WH-1000XM5, industry-leading noise cancellation with 2 processors controlling 8 microphones, crystal clear hands-free calling with 4 beamforming microphones, and advanced audio processing. Up to 30 hours of battery life, and a 3-minute quick charge gives you 3 more hours. Super lightweight design with soft fit leather for maximum comfort. All right, fitness and smartwatch people, this section is for you. The Fitbit Versa 4 is a solid fitness-focused smartwatch with a lightweight, comfortable design that feels great even during intense workouts. It has a physical button for quick navigation, multi-day battery life so you're not constantly charging it, and useful features like Google Pay, Google Maps prompts, and Alexa support. Great all-around option. If you want something even better, the Fitbit Charge 6 is 38% off right now. It's super comfortable on your wrist, the refreshed app presents your stats in a clean, motivating way, and you get Google Wallet and Google Maps integration. One of the coolest features is Bluetooth heart rate sharing with compatible gym equipment, so your workouts feel more dialed in. For Apple users, the Apple Watch Series 10 with GPS is incredible. Bigger display with up to 30% more screen area, thinner and lighter design, and advanced health features like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate notifications, menstrual cycle tracking, and even sleep apnea detection. The Vitals app shows you overnight health metrics like heart rate and respiratory rate. It measures all your workouts with activity rings, tracks training load, and even has depth and water temperature sensors for aquatic adventures. Samsung fans, the Galaxy Watch 8 is where it's at. Advanced sleep tracking with sleep coaching and bedtime guidance, a running coach that analyzes your performance and gives real-time feedback, and specific training programs for 5Ks, marathons, and more. The design is sleek and thinner than ever, super lightweight and comfortable. You get a personal AI assistant right on your wrist to help with tasks and to-do lists. And don't let the thinness fool you. The battery is reliable enough to last all day. For budget options, the Amazfit Active has a 14-day battery life, 2 weeks. It has a personalized AI fitness coach via Zepp Coach that delivers tailored workout plans. Advanced GPS with 5 satellite systems, seamless connectivity for calls and music, and over 100 vibrant watch faces on a 1.75-inch HD AMOLED screen. Or check out the Amazfit Balance, expert sleep tracking that analyzes heart rate, breathing, and temperature to tell you how recharged you are. Dual-band GPS for precise workout tracking and comprehensive health monitoring, including heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress. It even tracks body composition like body fat and muscle. And the Google Pixel Watch 3 is fire. The 41mm screen is twice as bright and 10% larger than before. Advanced running features with custom workouts, real-time guidance, and form tracking. Fitbit Premium uses Google AI to power personalized run recommendations based on your goals and readiness. The readiness feature tells you if you're ready for a workout or should prioritize recovery. Cardio load measures how hard your heart works, and you get a daily target based on your stats. Up to 24 hours of battery with always-on display, or 36 hours in battery saver mode. Let's talk phones because there are some excellent deals on smartphones right now. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is Google's flagship phone with a camera system that consistently delivers gorgeous shots. Natural language photo editing lets you tweak your photos in ways that feel playful and easy. Pixel Snap magnetic charging is super convenient, and on-device AI keeps common tasks quick and surprisingly helpful. This is a powerhouse phone. For Samsung fans, the Galaxy S25 FE with 256GB storage, big 6.7-inch display that's super smooth and immersive, lightweight design that won't weigh you down, 12-megapixel selfie camera that takes stunning shots, and generative edit lets you move, resize, and erase distracting elements in your photos. Galaxy AI recreates every detail so your shots look exactly how you envisioned them. The 4,900 mAh battery is built to go the distance, and super fast charging 2.0 gets you back up quickly. The Google Pixel 9 with 128GB. This phone gets the best of Google AI first. Amazing photos, magic edits, and Gemini built right in. It's unlocked, so you can use it with any major carrier. The camera system has a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide for stunning macro focus. Google AI features like Add Me let you take a picture and be in it too. Best Take helps everyone look their best, and Magic Editor lets you reframe photos and reimagine scenery. Gemini Live lets you have natural conversations without typing, and Pixel Screenshots helps you save things you'll want to remember. And for those on a tighter budget, the Motorola Edge is fantastic value. Advanced 50-megapixel camera with ultra-pixel technology for great low-light shots, ultra-fast 68-watt turbo power charging that gives you a full day's power in just 15 minutes. Beautiful curved design with vegan leather and IP68 water protection. One-touch quick button for instant access to your favorite apps, 256 GB storage, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, and a cinematic 6.6-inch POLED display, plus exclusive Moto software for the most intuitive Android experience. Tablets. Let's go through these awesome tablet deals. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has a big 11-inch screen that's bright and engaging, perfect for videos, games, or the kids. Quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos for cinema-like audio. Upgraded chipset with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB. You can open multiple apps at once and multitask like a pro. The Samsung Kids app gives kids a safe place to learn and play. Slim, light, durable design that's easy to carry anywhere. QuickShare makes transferring files super easy, even to iOS devices. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with an included S Pen for taking notes, editing photos and videos, marking up documents, and more. Sleek, lightweight design and fresh colors, including mint. Crystal clear screen and Dolby Atmos surround sound make. Shows and games look epic. Samsung DeX turns it into an expanded desktop workstation for productivity. For the power users, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, sketch-to-image with Galaxy AI, instantly turns simple sketches into works of art. Circle to Search with Google lets you search for anything you see without switching apps. Note: Assist organizes and summarizes your notes automatically. Get transcripts and summaries of recorded lectures and meetings. The powerful processor handles everything you throw at it. Quick hits on some awesome accessories. The Anker Soundcore 2 portable Bluetooth speaker is just $29.39. It's got a spiral base port for enhanced low-end impact and IPX7 waterproofing, meaning it can be submerged in a meter of water for 30 minutes. All of that for less than $30? This is an incredible gift idea for the holidays. Coffee and kitchen deals. The Keurig K-Mini single-serve coffee maker is down to just $47.99, a record low price. This thing is only 4 inches wide, perfect for small kitchen spaces, and brews a cup in just minutes. Compact but mighty. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This portable blender is tiny but powerful. Single-serve 16-ounce capacity, but it can crush ice and frozen fruit no problem with its stainless steel blast blade. It even comes with a sippy cup lid that pops open to keep your beverages fresh. Perfect for smoothies on the go. Cleaning gadgets. The Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet Cleaner is $84.99 right now. This thing is a breakout star at holiday sales every year. Perfect for pet owners and parents, it can magically erase spills and stains from carpets, couches, auto interiors, and more. Seriously a lifesaver if you have kids or pets. The Shark NV501 Rotator. Professional lift-away. This upright vacuum has lift-away functionality so you can detach the pod for cleaning under furniture or above the floor. Anti-allergen. Complete seal technology with HEPA filter. Traps dust and allergens inside. Advanced swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture. LED headlights reveal hidden debris and pet hair. Comes with a wide upholstery tool, a dusting brush, and a crevice tool. This is a beast of a vacuum. The Eufy Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Omni C20 is an all-in-one appliance that vacuums and mops. It has a self-emptying base, and it dries the mop with room temperature air. All you have to do is touch a button and let it do its thing. Down to $379.99 right now. That's a solid deal for this level of automation. Quick TV deal before we wrap up. The Amazon 50-inch Omni QLED Series 4 K-Fire TV. This represents a significant upgrade in Amazon's affordable TV range. QLED display, full-array local dimming, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10 Plus adaptive support for high-quality picture for both viewing and gaming. This deal is just $10 away from the record low price, so if you've been waiting for a good TV deal, this is it. All right, everyone, those are the best early Amazon Black Friday deals out right now. More discounts are dropping all month, so stay tuned. I'll keep you updated as we get closer to the big day. Drop a comment and tell me which deal you're grabbing: smartwatch, robot vacuum, or that huge TV. If this video helped you find some great deals, hit like, subscribe, and don't miss my upcoming Black Friday updates. Thanks for watching, happy shopping, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.